and Ayana are here with another concept of the homeschooling. We have prepared a learning binder which we are going to tell you how Ayana is studying throughout this foreign time along with her school material also. This is the binder which I have prepared on 10th of June 2020 and gathered a lot of information through Pinterest. So as I took you through this one, like I have downloaded everything from our website, all the free printable materials over there. Like we have the uppercase letters to recapitulate every day from A to Z with the kids. Then we have this lowercase letters so that we can revise the sounds with the kids. A, B, K, D, E, F, G. So all these like till Z. Then we have the numbers, just the introductory numbers which we can introduce to the kids so that they can just recognize like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 10. And once they are good with the 1 to 10 numbers, then we can introduce them with further numbers, that is 11 to 20 also. Then with the alphabets also, this is what I put all the velcros so that they can just take out all of the letters, and I just go and pick up the letter and say, oh, A. See, match it and put it like this. A. This is B. B. G. F. So it becomes easier for the kid to recognize the letters. But similarly, we have this lowercase letters. They can recognize the sound and they can say and they can see, oh, this is B. B. This is E. E. So they will stick like this. And here we have the 5 little monkeys. So they really enjoy this poem, and along with this poem it becomes the learning. So here I have the printouts of the numbers so that they can go and simply say 5 little monkeys. They can count, okay, how many monkeys we have on the bed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They can go and simply stick here 5 monkeys, and then we can recite a poem. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed, one fell off and bumped his head. Then they can take out this number 5, and they will take out the monkey also. Then they can count the remaining monkeys, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will enhance their gross motor skill because they have to go and stick it. At times they will also learn about the numbers, and they can recognize the numbers also. Oh, this is 4. Then we have the days of the week, and they can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they can say 7 days in a week we have. And then they can say like what are the days also: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So they can learn on the daily basis when we will bring that in their habit, that we have to sit for 30 minutes every day and we have to revise all these things, so they are used to of it. So like Ayana knows all the days. Again, the same concept goes with the months of the year. First I make her count the blocks. She counts 1, 2, 3, so on till 12, and I have also mentioned the 12 so that she can recognize while asking how many months in a year we have. She can say it's 12. In her school she learns like this: January, February, March, April. So we can sing a song along with them. It's a very good solution to make your kid to learn easily. So you can go ahead and say January, February, March, April. So this makes easier for them to learn. She just turned 2.5, but yes, I have introduced all these planets and everything when she was 2.3, and then only she memorized everything, like how many planets we have, and we narrate her a story of astronauts, and in that story only we tell her about the different planets. Like we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Again, here we have the Velcro concept. So I have written the names Mercury, so gradually she will start recognizing the letters like M. So she can go and she can check it's Mercury. So she knows about the planets also. Then along with these planets, I have also introduced the continents to her, and so that, and also have mentioned and highlighted like how many continents we have. It's 7. So she can similarly go, and again she knows South America, North America. So we do it like this: South America, North America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. And she also knows like in Antarctica we find penguins, in Australia we find kangaroos. So all these, and she knows like which one is the biggest continent is Asia. So when I go to the pages, so I talk about the different continents also, what is the specialty of these continents, so she can understand or she can memorize it for the longer time. So rainbow, it's a handmade. So she knows like we have 7 rainbow colors. So whenever I teach her, so I circle that number, like how many colors we have, Ayana. She immediately go and see on the circle, oh it's 7. She knows 7. Then she knows all the colors also. Have also introduced its Vibgyor. So she knows like the violet. So she knows, oh it's a darker, so it's indigo, it's blue, it's green, yellow, like this, so on. Just an introduction like with the big and small, which I mean we can tell them with the practical examples also. We can just take the small color and the big color, the small pencil, big pencil, or the glasses, whatever. I mean we can find around. Then I have the shapes here. So she knows most of them except the parallelogram, and the trapezoid also I have introduced to her. And other than that, she knows all the shapes here. Seasons. So the spring, summer, autumn, winter, she knows the seasons also. So the best part about these pictures, she knows, and I mean we can say where the flowers are blooming, so she immediately go there. It's a spring. Where the sun, it's summer. Autumn, where the leaves are falling, it's autumn. Winter, the snowman is standing, so it's winter. So it's easy for the kid to visualize and then learn. So now we have the weathers also: the sunny, windy, snowy, rainy, cloudy, everything. I mean we have to tell them like it's windy, where the kites are flying, the wind is blowing with these symbols, so they know, oh it's a windy weather, it's a rainy, cloudy. Again I just put it intentionally as black to show her it's cloudy. Clouds are coming, the black clouds. And then it's a very little concept. I mean again the velcros I have used, so to introduce her the basic thing, like where we are living, it's a land, and we have different animals living in the sea, that is underwater. So I take out all the animals, and then she just picks up like this. Okay, what is this? It's an octopus. So where does it live? It lives in water, so she'll just stick here in the water. Which animal is this? It's a bear. So bear lives on land. Land is of brown color, and the grasses are there on the land. It's of green color. So she knows she'll stick here, like the giraffe, the zebra, the starfish. This is the concept. Again, the more details of the weathers are here. Like I mean, this is the rainy season. In rainy season, what we use umbrella. In the sunny day, we protect us and we put our shades. So this is the one, I mean, which she refers to. Windy. Again, the clouds are blowing. The symbol here, it is showing the blowy. The snows are falling. Where is the snowman? So she can relate to that. then it's just the basic concept of what we teach to our kids about the body organs. I mean, at the age of 2, like ears, nose, and everything. We were only just telling about the basic body organs, not introducing all these in much detail. Or they should be aware the brain is there inside the head, the lungs are there, which is very important part during this COVID-19. So I've introduced her the lungs also, the heart, and also she knows how big heart is. It's just the wrist. So she just put her wrist on her chest and she tells like the heart is this much big. The stomach, she knows it is whenever she just see its stomach, so she'll put it here with the velcro. The intestine. So these are the basic. Yes, these are the body parts which are inside our body, which are not visible. Now I have recently introduced her the countries and the capitals, not the currency yet, only just the country and the capital. So gradually I'll also introduce her like what are the currencies of the different countries. So like the India, New Delhi, China, Beijing, Japan, Tokyo. So all these, I mean, till 10 she knows, like except Nepal and Bhutan, I have introduced her all of the countries. She knows the capitals as well. Hope you all have enjoyed today's video where I worked on this Montessori concept. I researched a lot. So if you want to know more about this Montessori concept, you want me to come up with more and more videos, so I would like your comments, your likes, share this video more and more with your friends and families, and please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you and namaste.